Hey, good morning everyone. It's June 22nd, 2022. We're gonna do some drywall work today. Just do a few little repairs around the house. And the first thing we're gonna do is, well, first of all, I got a new list, brand new list going. And in order for the electrician to do some work up here, we had to cut a hole to access the panel. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna patch that and maybe pick something from the list and do that too. I think since Heather's gonna be gone for 3 days at that country music festival, we're gonna go ahead and build our, this little thing here is basically what the gem and mineral shelf compartment's gonna kind of look like. It's gonna be right here. And it's just gonna be a bunch of different little open shelves that we can store our gem and minerals in to make discovery bags. Hope you enjoy the video. A quick update for the person who told me to get these rollerblade style computer chair wheels. I did install them in the bottom. That's why there's little pieces of plywood at the bottom of those, because there's epoxy. However, it was a little too unstable and it just didn't feel right. And I'm gonna keep them though. I really don't like this. What I might do is build a platform here and then put these wheels directly how they're supposed to go. And then I'll have like a little raised area here for the chair. I don't know. But these are quality. So thank you for that suggestion, even though it didn't work. I thought it would work too, otherwise I wouldn't have ordered them. So, all right, let's do some measuring for the drywall repair. All right, so I got to sand off some of this drywall mud that I got all over my workbench here. I made a quick little video of, you'll see it on the channel, patching that up. And what else? Oh, at 1 p.m. I got to meet Johnny and Ryan over at Helga's restaurant in Aurora. So I got to leave here about noon to be over there. And then we're going to go over to their studio and I got to record. Well, they're going to record the first episode of the Metalhead Whiskey Snobs. I'll put a link down below for their YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe over there if you want to see the full episode. I'm going to be their first guy, guest, whatever. Right, so in the meantime, I'm just, I'm updating the valve down here because these are just a pain. If anybody has an air compressor, you know how much of a pain these things could be to drain the water out. They stick half the time and you have to lay on the ground and you get water all over the place. So I'm just gonna take that out and I'm gonna replace it with a ball valve, and I'm gonna have it come out to about here and then aim down. I'll have like a catch pan down there or something so we don't get water all over the place because we have to drain it every day. So I'm just removing this and gonna replace it. All right, so I just got this thing out and it was barely in there. Like it was only halfway threaded in. You can see where that, and this stuff is still like sticky too. I don't know. I'm gonna put like Loctite when I replace this thing, but I mean, it's still a good valve. It's brand new, but whoever installed it didn't do a very good job. I bet it was leaky. I'm also going to get some parts for the main valve on it as well, going into my the filter, the regulator, and this is actually a lubricator here, so I don't even have to worry about oiling my air tools and stuff. So this is pretty great. This is 1/2 inch. What I want to get is I'd like to get like an insert for here and have one of those braided hoses coming off, and then I want to install the regulator on the wall over here. I am going to move the entire air compressor over a bit. It still has to come off the pallet and get anchored to the concrete, but I don't want it that far away. I want to have it probably no more than 12 inches away from the wall, all the way around. So we'll leave like a 12-inch gap around it. Actually, I think I might put the regulator over here because there's gonna be a wall here and I'll have the regulator outside the wall. This is gonna have to stay inside that drain. And I'm gonna have to rent another hammer drill, because these are 1/2-inch holes. I'm gonna have to drill into the concrete. I'm gonna put those, what are they, anti-vibration pads underneath each of the 3 feet. So we got some shopping to do. But I have to be over at Helga's in about an hour. So it takes about an hour to get there. So we'll go do that first. Just checking out the western slope. We got the sprinkler on a timer. It's taking care of that area. The raised garden bed seems to be doing okay. The broccoli's really getting big. Everything else seems to be doing okay. Except for that romaine. And the German thyme here. I think that didn't make it. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna have to do is put a chicken wire fence over this just to keep the rabbits and stuff out. But yeah, I'm surprised that's growing pretty quickly. All right. And one of the dogs are going nuts right in the neighbor's yard. Just a little bit of a late breakfast here. Ryan and Johnny plowing it down, having some beverages. Remember me? I'm your big pal.
Handheld, I want overhead.
Yeah, it looks good, man. These soft boxes I need for my shop, or for my studio. These little soft boxes. Yeah, that really makes it look great. So this is Fish Tank Studios here in Denver, Colorado. This is Ryan's drum kit. They've got it set up here. Metalhead Whiskey Snobs is the name of their YouTube channel, and I get to be apparently the first guest. Is that right?
That's correct.
That is correct. They got a couple good ones here. Pretty much all of them pretty good. Nothing special, you know. What's that? What you got?
This is our
Editing room.
Yeah, this is like the editing room, like studio rooms where demo fucking track shit, mix and edit. Yep, demo fucking shit.
Oh, you got a Powerball.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Eric Hoffman.
Yeah, it is. That's what Deicide used to use. Eric still uses it in Eamon. Nice. Yeah, show me that problem you're having. Maybe I can help you with that editing.
So yeah, I mean, we brought a guest in and teach him how to rate it. Make sure you get all the cigarette butts and everything. Ashes. Our maid is not here today.
All right, that was fun. I got a little bottle of Goldschlager and a shirt. Metalhead Whiskey Snobs shirt. That was cool. All right, now we got to go home, and it's already, what time is it, 5? I don't really have time to do too much more tonight. I wasn't expecting to be here that long, but all right. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see the full episode that was just filmed, he said it would be a couple days before it was on YouTube, but I'll leave a link down below for Metalhead Whiskey Snobs. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.